In a doomsday scenario, water scarcity can be a critical survival challenge. Preparing for this situation requires proactive strategies to conserve and manage your water resources. Start by identifying your water sources. Rain barrels and natural bodies of water can be vital. Invest in a good filtration system to purify water from these sources. It's essential to collect rainwater. Install gutters and downspouts to channel rain into storage containers. Next, practice water conservation techniques in daily life. Limit shower times, fix leaks promptly, and install low-flow fixtures. Create a water usage plan for your household. Determine how much water you need daily for drinking, cooking, and hygiene. During an emergency, prioritize drinking water. Store at least 1 gallon per person per day for a minimum of 3 days. Use water wisely. Reuse gray water from washing vegetables or showering for irrigation. In a community, form a water management group. Share resources, knowledge, and strategies to maximize efficiency. Lastly, stay informed about local water issues and solutions. Awareness can help you prepare for unexpected water shortages and take action before it becomes a crisis.